If the radius of star is r and it's act as a black body, what would be the temperature of star and which rate of energy production is nothing but Q. So we know that if the star is at a constant temperature, that means the production rate of energy will be equal to the dissipation rate of energy in the form of thermal radiations. So we can write the value of heat production over here is nothing but P will be equal to the heat energy which is removed. So we can write that is equal to E sigma A temperature of object raised to 4. So you can just substitute the value in the situation, that is P is equal to nothing but for a black body the value of E is equal to 1. We can write sigma into surface area, we can take it as 4 pi r square into temperature of object raised to 4. So you can write the value of this P power produced is given as Q divided by sigma divided by 4 pi r square is the value of T raised to 4. Now we can take raised to 1 by 4 on both the sides. So we can write this is going to be Q divided by sigma into 4 pi r square raised to 1 by 4 is equal to nothing but T raised to 4 is equal to T. So this is a way we can represent the value of temperature.